What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Welcome to another video, technical analysis with Trade with Tyler. Today we're going to be going over TNXP on the stock ticker. This stock has a 14.58 million share float, so below our 30 million optimum. That's what we want to see. It doesn't take much volume to make this stock really go. I did do a little fundamental research and I seen that they had some news here at the beginning of the day on the 4th. TNXP Pharmaceuticals doses participants in phase 1 study evaluating TNX 601 for the daytime treatment of post-traumatic stress disorder. So you can see that after they released that news during the day, here we kind of just stayed ranging in the same area, and then on the 5th we kind of pushed up a little bit here, a couple cents, and then we pulled back a little bit, and then you can see on market open here we went from 42 cents all the way up to a high of 52 cents. So that's a 10-cent move. That could be, a lot of money. We're talking if you have a big share, if you have a lot of shares. So let's go ahead and get right into this. We are on the 15-minute chart. Each one of these bars is 15 minutes in case you did not know that. All right, let's go ahead and get right into the technicals. Let's zoom in really quick. We got our resistance up here at 52 cents. We got our support down here at 47 cents. And our median is sitting at about 49.5 cents. Now, what I'm going to be looking for on come Monday, very simple. I want to see us break above this 52 cent level here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an alert at 52 cents. It's going to email me. It's going to show me a pop-up and it's going to notify me in the app. And if you want to use this trading software, definitely check out my description. I have a link there you can try it out for free. It is free. You don't need to purchase any market data or anything, but you can get extra features with it. I'm a premium member on there. I love it. Use my link and it helps support me for free. It doesn't cost you a thing. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Again, I want to see us break above this 52 cent level. I'm not even going to watch this stock until my alert goes off and we break above this 52 cent level, because we know that this is where the main resistance is. This is where the main seller does not want it to pass. But if we do pass there, there's a good chance that we continue this uptrend. So let's go ahead and talk about the next thing I'm looking for. Is would I just enter this trade right away just because we broke above that 52 cents? No, I would not. Okay, we don't just FOMO into something. We wait to get that double, triple confirmation, right? So what I wait for is I wait to see if it breaks above here, 52 cents. I wait to see if it pulls back, and then from there, I wait to see if we either we stabilize, and we find some support here, and the sellers stop, and we find some support, and for sure the bulls are back. You're looking at level 2, you've seen big buy blocks, nobody's selling anymore, the setups are looking good, the candles are right, you got to look at multiple things. This way, we know we're not going back down like this, right? This way, you don't just enter the trade off FOMO, off just breaking there, and then you don't get stuck in something that goes down like that. You want to have that confirmation, so you want to see that momentum return. And once I see that, I go ahead and have my order ready above that pullback point, wherever it is. We'll just say it was here for this example. And remember, this pullback could be 5 seconds, it could be in 5 minutes. So you definitely got to watch it once we pass at 52 cents. But until we pass 52 cents, personally, I don't think you ever even have to look at this stock again. But that's just how I see it. I trade off technical analysis. So let's go ahead and get back into this. Once I have my order there and I see that momentum's returning, I have all my personal confluence factors looking good. You're gonna have probably different ones. Maybe you have the same, who knows? Once we see that momentum return, I have my order here already ready, so I get the best entry possible. I have it right above that pullback point, wherever that is at the time. But again, for this example, we have it here. That way, when that momentum kicks in, I can easily ride this continuation up to this next resistance at 57 cents, and then sell 3/4 of my position, hold 1/4, and see if we do another repeat and continue higher, right? That way, if we do fall back down, I can sell out of that 1/4 and still be up 3/4, right? Always plan house money, very important. Don't risk your money, risk the house money. When you're in profits, that's house money, okay? Use that to take risk. Don't use your actual capital, because you need your capital, because as a trader, your capital is your product. If you just do things where you just go off a whim, That would be like trying to sell something and not knowing any of the data behind it and just throwing it out there. It's not going to work, right? So you got to have confirmation that what you're thinking and what you're projecting is correct. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please click that like button and subscribe and click the bell notification. That way you're notified every time I release a video. These videos are much better than any stock watch list you could ever get. With this, you get the full rundown and you'll know exactly what to do before each trading day. This is absolutely crucial, I think, personally, for anybody trading. You need to have the vision set up in your head, and then you have your alerts ready to go for the next day. And this way, you're always on top and you're never struggling looking for the next big thing. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends on Facebook, StockTwits, and Twitter. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.